Welcome to Shamik's Kitchen. Hi friends. Today in this lockdown, I am here to show you a recipe of papri chaat. हम सबको पसंद है, we all love it, and so we are going to make it today. Let's see how we make it. These are the papris, golden fried, crispy, made it with refined flour dough. This is chopped onion, half a bowl. This is half a bowl coriander chopped. This is a green chutney made with coriander and dahi, grinded into paste together. This is tomato ketchup. This will bring in a twist in the menu. This is potatoes, diced, boiled potatoes. This is dahi, half bowl of dahi, curd. This is one lemon cut into four. This is chopped chilies. This is sugar syrup. This is dates. We will not use dates in today's recipe. This is bhujia, black salt, roasted cumin powder, and chaat masala. I think this all ingredients are mostly available in the easy in our home. This is the papri which will show how to make it. This is the dough. This is the normal dough or puri dough how you make it at home. Only difference is that the dough is little hard. We have used less water to make this dough. After making this dough, we have separated into small balls, and we are rolling it out with a rolling pin to make small puris, 3 centimeter in dimension approximately, and we will fry it on slow flame. The oil should be on slow flame. So before that, we will pierce the puris with fork so that it becomes up crispy. So we are piercing the puris. Now we are dipping the puris one after the other in the oil. The oil is on low flame. This is very important that the oil should be in low flame, because only if the oil is in low flame, then only the puris will come, or the papris will come out crispy. So we will fry it in low flame till 4 to 5 minutes so that it becomes golden brown. When it's golden, we'll bring it out, because it gets cooked a little after we bring it out from the oil. So we'll slowly bring out the puris from the oil. We'll drain out excess oil from the papris. See, we have already fried the papris. The papris look so delicious and crispy. They are golden in color. You can have it as it is, but we'll use today this in the making of papri chaat. So here we have already shown you how to make the papris. We are here with the other ingredients too. Now the twist is in this recipe is we are not going to make sweet imli chutney made with dates and imli today. In the lockdown situation, we might not get everything to make the imli chutney, so we have replaced it with tomato ketchup. Let's see, we have added tomato ketchup, and we'll add sugar syrup into it. We have taken sugar syrup. We'll add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar syrup. In tomato ketchup, we have also taken tomato ketchup in the same quantity. So tomato ketchup is already tangy, and we are adding sweet into it, so it becomes a tangy sweet chutney. We will also add 1/4 of lemon into it to make it more tangy. You can also pour in chaat masala and little salt into it. Little of red chili powder you can also add into it, but we are not adding red chili powder. It will make it more healthy. We have taken a bowl, and we are now going to mix and make a potato mixture. Before that, let's take the papris and place it one by one on a plate. We'll design it like a flower shape. So we are placing the papris one after other. So we are making into a flower shape. so that we cover up the plate. Yes, we cover up the plate with the papris because papri goes as the base in papri chaat. Let's make the potato mixture. We are adding the potatoes, the boiled diced potatoes. Half the bowl, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions. Then we will take some coriander leaf, around 2 tablespoons of coriander leaf also, so the freshness of the vegetable remains. This is actually, we are making a potato salad. A potato salad which goes on the papri. This is slit chilies, but the chilies is optional. If you don't like it, you may not use. This we are adding some masala like chaat masala and roasted cumin powder. Roasted cumin powder tastes very good. So if you can make it, it will enhance the taste. Little of chaat masala. This is of black salt. We are adding little black salt into it to bring up the taste. We will add the chutney. This is the tomato ketchup chutney in replacement of imli chutney. The sweet and tangy chutney. We will mix it together. So this is a potato salad we are making, and we'll top it on the papris we have placed on the plate. The potato salad looks so fresh. The potato salad can also be eaten as it is. You can also add some peanuts, some roasted peanuts into it, which bring up a nutty taste in the potato salad. Some chopped tomatoes also you can use. So we are placing the potato mixture on top of the papris, on each papri, 1 spoon on each papri. So this is a chaat, but basically, this is also a type of salad, you can say. But yes, in India, and we call it as papri chaat, and it's India's famous dish, papri chaat. It's available almost everywhere in India. So the onion, we are sprinkling some onions on top. Then we'll sprinkle some green coriander to bring up the look of the dish, make it more healthy and fresh. Now we'll pour in little of lemon, 2 drops on each papri, so that it becomes tangy. As soon as it goes into the mouth, it bursts inside. Now we'll add the dahi. See, we're adding dahi on it. Cold sweetened dahi. Wow. I'm very hungry to have it, while making. You can also feel that how it would taste one after the other. The ingredients, the fresh ingredients we're using, the chutney goes on top. So this will bring the tangy and sweet flavor of the dish. The chutney has gone on the top. The sweet chutney. Next we will give the green chutney. This enhances the flavor more. This enhances the taste more in the dish. So we have taken all the ingredients which are available in your house, not something which you have to, which is hard to get in the market. In this lockdown period, this is a special dish made in the lockdown period for you to have a chatpata papri chaat. We have added some masalas like chaat masala and roasted cumin powder and little salt. We are topping up with the seo or bhujia, little of seo and bhujia. Wow, we have topped up with the dahi. Here we got the papri chaat. Made it home during the lockdown. I am enjoying it. You can also make and enjoy it. Let's taste. Wow. The tanginess, the sweetness, and the bursting inside the mouth. Thank you for watching Papri Chaat with me. Keep watching for more recipes. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy.